Hey everybody, today I'm taking apart my dr125. This bike has a problem. When you pull the clutch in, nothing happens. First we're draining the oil, and then we will pull the clutch case. Now, the clutch arm on this particular bike is on the left side of the motor, but actually the clutch assembly is on the right. Here you see the clutch arm isn't returning to its original position. It should be springy in return. Now I'm pulling all the bolts for the clutch housing. You do have to pull the oil filter, the kickstarter, and the brake pedal for this. Here we found the issue. This is the cam adjuster. The technical term for this is the actuator arm. The actuator arm is attached to a push rod, which is a long metal rod that goes across the engine. This actuator arm is what adjusts the clutch basket. Using a 10mm wrench, I adjusted the actuator arm to be closer to the push rod to engage the arm earlier. It took me several tries to get it perfect, but after some adjustment, it worked. Reassembling the oil filter, kickstarter, and brake. Once I have everything reassembled, I pull the clutch and I see the clutch arm is working. And that's it. Stay tuned for more videos. Thank you.